Hi, this is Tom Soane, and I'm going to make a bold prediction right here, right now. So what date is it today? It's the 18th of June 2020. We're still kind of in lockdown. It's starting to ease off a little bit. Some businesses are starting to come back to operation. But property, let's talk property. I think property prices are going up. I know that sounds crazy. I know that a lot of people are saying the opposite, but I'm telling you, I think property prices are going up. And by the way, I'm talking about sales and lettings, that prices are going up. So why do I think this? Well, since lockdown kind of loosened a little bit, let's just say loosened, I've seen tons and tons and tons of inquiries from people looking to buy properties and people looking to rent properties. In fact, more than we had before lockdown. So when that sort of demand is so high, then that says to me something good is going to happen in the property market. Now, I might be wrong. I hope I'm not, but I might be wrong. But there isn't a low supply of properties. Now, that's the other thing to point out. So I don't think property prices are going to just rocket up like they did many years ago. But I do think property prices are going to creep up, which is weird, isn't it? Because we've been in this lockdown situation. The whole world has been on a lockdown from coronavirus or COVID-19, whatever we're calling it now. And I think property prices are going up. So let me know if you agree with that. I guess my evidence is that I'm looking at Rightmove, I'm looking at Zoopla, On the Market, Home Search, all of these different places where you can gather data and stats and figures. And I'm looking at this as demand is high, people are buying, people are renting. Now, when there's high demand, like I just said, I think property prices creep up. But I don't think they're going to go down, that's for sure. So I'd be interested to find out what you think about that. Is this just a quick rush on the market because now everybody's coming out of lockdown, they can start moving and people are going to start, there's a bit of a bottleneck, if you like, of people that wanted to buy and now they've squeezed out the bottom, they're all trying to view, buy, rent, all of those things. Or is this a sign of the future that people have been in lockdown and the people that wanted to move before lockdown but then couldn't have all bottlenecked and now they're flooding into the marketplace? Or is it that people have realised in lockdown, something in lockdown has made them realise that they've taken things for granted? They want a garden, they want a bigger bedroom, they want a bigger lounge, they want a better property, they want parking, they want this, they want that. And they realised in lockdown, because you've obviously had a lot of time to reflect on life, on family, on friends, on social life, and everything that you normally do. Maybe people have just realised during lockdown, shit, I need to make some changes here. And the first thing I'm going to do is move into a better property. Is that the case? That's what I think anyway. It's a little bit wishy-washy. There's not really any evidence to support that, but are you one of those people that have been sat at home in lockdown and thought to yourself, I'm going to move? Whether you're a tenant or a homeowner, doesn't matter. It's all moving home. Moving home is moving home. Doesn't matter whether you own it or rent it. Have you had that thought? Maybe you want to move closer to family, a better location, a bigger garden, a better lounge, a better kitchen, a bigger bedroom. All of those things might have gone through your mind during lockdown whilst you've had the time to think about it, and now you're taking action. Now you're going for it. Now you're going to move. So I'd like to hear from you. I want to hear your reasons for wanting to move property. What's made you realise I'm going to move now? And what do you think about property prices? I personally think they're going to creep up. Maybe not massively. I'm not saying we're going to hit a boom anytime soon, but I certainly think prices are going to just creep up very gradually whilst demand is high. I'm seeing a lot of properties go just like that for asking price. I'm seeing a lot of properties that are on for rent go. These two flats went on the market on a Monday, and by the end of Tuesday we had 90 inquiries to view that property or to view those 2 flats. That's crazy. That's got to be a record. So what are you moving for? What's made you move? What do you think about property prices? Please put some comments below. I want to start the conversation. I want to find out what you guys think of all of this. I did a poll actually on my own Facebook page, which was, do you think property prices are going up or do you think they're going down? And 65% of you thought they were going down. What do you think now? I've just told you that there's huge demand for people buying properties and renting properties. In my experience, and I've been doing this for 21 years, I've been an estate agent, letting agent, property investor, for landlord for 21 years, and every time I see massive demand, I see prices do very well, both rental prices and sale prices. What do you think? Let me know. Put some comments below. Let's start the conversation. I'm desperate to hear what you guys think. Or if you want to talk to me personally, send me a message. And if you like this and you want to start the debate too, then let's share the video around. So look, let's talk. Get them comments on. Get them questions in. Let's see how we go. Speak to you all soon.